So in this video is for NEET 2021 aspirants. A lot of you must be struggling with the uncertainty of when NEET notification is going to come, what is going to be the date on which NEET exam is going to happen, whether board exams are going to happen or they are going to get cancelled. I want to tell you one thing, with the current caseload, 4 lakh COVID cases reported every day, there is no way NTA and Education Ministry can know when they can safely conduct the exam. And whatever videos come, whatever I think, whatever someone else thinks on YouTube, that doesn't matter. What matters is when does NTA and Education Ministry decide to conduct the exam, when do they decide to conduct board exam, and when do they decide to conduct NEET exam. There is no point thinking about it right now. First thing, if you want to ask me, I will tell you in my mind, everything is going to get postponed. But my thinking, what I think, what I believe doesn't matter. We have to wait for NTA confirmation. We have to wait for confirmation from Education Ministry. They will talk to Home Ministry. They will talk to Health Ministry and decide. So what you should do is now stop worrying about it. Notification is not coming anytime soon. Till the time they exactly know the caseload situation, they are not going to announce another date. They announced the date of 1st August. And after that, this COVID second wave took off. And now they don't know. They are not going to come in between and announce a date for announce when the exam is going to happen again till the time they know exactly. Now, what I want to recommend to all of you, first of all, remain peaceful. Things are very bad around you. Take care of your health. Take care of health of your family members. If you get stuck because of COVID, don't worry. Get healthy, then start studying again. There is still a lot of time remaining. Second thing, if your syllabus is not complete, complete it peacefully. Don't rush it through. If you are able to complete 3 to 4 chapters a week, don't try and finish 10 chapters a week. Even if you are able to finish 60, 70 chapters by 20th July, you never know. Exam might get postponed and you might be able to finish your syllabus. But don't rush it through. Strict advice, don't rush it through. We are in an uncertain world, but you have to study as per your own pace. If your syllabus is complete, then fix up the dates on which you are going to write your mock test and work backwards and work towards completing those mock tests. Decide how many chapters you are going to revise, write a mock test. It can be based on our test series. It can be based on target setting, practice DPPs, fix your weak areas, but remain peaceful. There is no point hurrying it up. There is no point trying to get anxious about it. You are not going to get any confirmation from NTA, from Education Ministry anytime soon. So guys, my sincere request, remain peaceful. I'm going to try and come regularly here, give you guidance, keep you motivated. Any news comes in, I will inform you, but don't worry about it. Don't spend time thinking about when exam is going to happen. Just focus on your studies, go as per what your pace is, as per the speed at which you are able to complete chapters, and slowly complete your syllabus. There is still a lot of time. You have a very good opportunity, especially students who are in class 12, did not get much time to prepare. You will get a lot of time to prepare. Use this time properly. Best of luck to all of you. Remain peaceful and things are going to be okay. All right, students.